What's up everybody? If you missed last week, I'll put a link in right here somewhere. This is part 2. Today we just got some like little finishing things to do. This shelf and really this whole corner, got to figure out something to do with all this. And I've got some of these signs that I made. Go ahead and cut some footage of making the signs. But I want to go ahead and get a couple of these up on the wall. So that's what we're going to start with today. We're going to take this one, and it's going to go up here on that wall. I'm not sure where this one's going to go yet, but that one's going to go right there in that corner. There it is, first sign up on the wall. It's sick. If any of y'all out there want anything like this, hit me up on Instagram at VSW Printing, or you can just hit me up in the comments here, I guess. But I do make this stuff. I can definitely set y'all up with some signs for your own shop if you want to. Sign number 2 done. So now this is done, I think next thing is pulling all this stuff out. So I think if I rearrange it, I can get trailing arms and transmissions under here maybe. So that's gonna be goal for that, and then I'll give us a little more room here, and we'll get this shelf knocked out after that. Alright, so this is the best I could come up with for this. The top shelf was pretty densely packed, so I didn't really change too much on that. But on the bottom here, I was able to get 4 trailing arms and a few different suspension parts and this transmission down here that all used to be sitting in the floor over here. And then this is the best I could come up with for the engines and stuff still sitting out here. Just push it all up against the wall and then stack the transmission on top. You can actually walk in and get to the shelf now, so we can finally pull all the junk off here and see if we can't make this shelf more usable again. I've still got some stuff a little bit spread out, like on these two shelves down here, but for the most part I gained a whole shelf, maybe like half shelf here, and then all this room up here. So mission success. Still doesn't look the greatest, so we got one thing left to do to it. Painted black. Let me call that good for this shelf and the corner of engines. Here's all the stuff that was just trash or scrap metal that was on that shelf. So I'll get rid of all that stuff and figure out what I'm gonna do next. Okay, got that light hung up right there, and then I painted that window white, and I don't think I'm gonna do it to the rest of them. I think they really just need a good cleaning. I'll have to figure something out to clean that, but I'll probably do that some other time. But anyways, I found some lights up there. Another one up there. But they just plug in. Now you can see up there. Now right there. So I went ahead and threw a new bulb in that one. But now I gotta figure out how to get up there and change that. So that's a couple feet too short. Well, this is what I came up with. Maybe it'll work. get down easier to replace the bolt next time. Mission accomplished. Got this one over here working. We'll do some more lights whenever I get the loft built here. I want to add some more loft coming out this way. We'll call that phase 2 though. It'll probably be months down the road. Who knows when I'll get around to that. But that's also when I'll fill in all these gaps on the block there. Well, I guess that's going to be about all for part 2 of phase 1. I went ahead and straightened this up over here. Everything that I could, I put up in that part. And then this is just like the heater and the cherry picker, and then just and like shop tools and stuff left over here. But I guess all that's left now is to give y'all a quick tour, a little montage, show y'all what it looks like at night with the different colored lights and stuff. It's definitely way better in here. I don't know if it really comes through on video, but it's gonna be a lot easier to work in here and stuff, and everything just overall just a little bit better. But thanks for watching. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you next week for another one.